Hey, food lovers! Can you guess all 60 foods before the timer ends? Let's see how many you can get right. Can you guess the food? Pizza. Burger. Can you guess the food? Hot dog. French fries. Can you guess the food? Donut. Ice cream. Can you guess the food? Popcorn. Can you guess the food? Pancake. Taco. Sandwich. Great job so far. Let's keep going. Sushi. Spaghetti. Can you guess the food? Fried chicken. Cheese. Cupcake. Can you guess the food? Watermelon. Apple pie. Can you guess the food? Cookie. Chocolate. Milkshake. Did you get all 20 correct? Nachos. Burrito. Can you guess the food? Onion rings. Croissant. Pretzel. Can you guess the food? Waffle. Cereal. Peanut butter. Corn dog. Mac and cheese. You're doing awesome! Here comes the next round. Salad. Soup. Rice. Can you guess the food? Noodles. Steak. Sausage. Can you guess the food? Omelette. Toast. Muffin. Bagel. Only 20 more foods to go. Dumpling. Can you guess the food? lasagna, meatball, ketchup. Can you guess the food? Mustard, honey, yogurt, brownie. Can you guess the food? Cheesecake, pudding. These last ones might be tricky. Jelly. Can you guess the food? Carrot cake, tiramisu. Can you guess the food? Garlic bread, mozzarella sticks, chicken wings, mashed potatoes. Can you guess the food? Grilled cheese, fish and chips, chicken nuggets. Amazing job! How many foods did you guess correctly? Tell us your score in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch another quiz video.